Hello, everybody. Gina here with your weekly market update. Believe it or not, we are halfway through the year. Q2 just ended, and what a year we are having. Last week, the Dow ended down while S&P hit its 31st all-time high, and the NASDAQ also rallied. This put the NASDAQ at just over an 18% return year to date, and took the S&P to about 14.5% year to date. So of course, yes, tech is leading the charge with AI really propelling that momentum, but also corporate profits have topped expectations, and inflation really is starting to moderate. Job growth is also solid, and the economy is expanding there. So things are looking very solid, and we are optimistic. But as we have been saying for a very long time, this is not a rising tide lifts all boats situation. For example, many of you are invested in the S&P 500, which is market cap weighted, and that's intentional. So what that means is that not all 500 stocks have an equal weighting of participation in that ETF. So if that were true, the S&P would only be up about 4% as opposed to 14.5%. So it really is times like these where that professional and active management, and when it's not a rising tide lifts all boats situation, become pretty critical to your portfolio. And many of you really see that being demonstrated in your performance. In other news, many of you signed up for our client portal last week or recently. And if you would still like to do that, but you didn't get a chance to do that yet, please reach out to us, because the link that we send you to do that is only good for 72 hours. And so we'd be happy to resend you that link. It really is a great option. It's certainly not necessary, but it's a place where you can log in and see everything in one place based off of household and portfolio or by accounts. It does update daily with accurate numbers for values and performance. Also, in the Documents tab, our reviews and reporting get sent automatically every month, so everything's in one place, and you can always go look, check that out. And you can also link outside accounts and bank accounts, and that trickles into the reporting as well, and the net worth. So those are just some of the perks. But like I said, if you haven't signed up yet and you'd like to, please reach out to us. We can resend you the link. Just note that we are closed on Thursday and Friday for the holiday. So with that, I definitely wish you all a wonderful 4th of July. Be safe, and we will talk to you next week.